we be rising with our cat lovers and animal lovers today. So it's a bit of a different video from me, but I thought I would share it. It is health related. So if you guys have been following the channel, you know I have a cat named Sweetie, but I might not have shared that she developed allergies. She's sneezing quite a bit, really congested, and lo and behold, I was taking this allergies course through my nutrition program and read this book, which this book is amazing. So this book really addresses the cause. It looks at your internal environment, your external environment, and just all the chemicals in our world. Ranges from pesticides to perfumes to air fresheners, not really freshening the air. It's just adding to all the sickness out there. Deodorants, shampoos, you name it. So if you have allergies, highly recommend this book. And then you can apply it also on your animals, because even animals are getting sick. And it's just, it's also, diet and what's in their external environment. So with Sweetie, I put her on pickerel and vegetables and started making her own food. And then I came across these hardwood pellets because I noticed quite a odor in the air from the conventional cat litter. And I thought, okay, well, we got to do something different there. And I came across this. So I just had to get this filter box here, and then you just put the pellets in there. She got used to it right away, actually. And this huge bag here is about $7 from Canadian Tire. So it's pretty cheap, and it doesn't leave much odor in the air. So just all around a win-win. And within a few weeks, her allergies completely disappeared. And it was just a matter of changing what she was eating and looking at her external environment and what she was interacting with. And so it's even better for my health too, because with the conventional cat litter, there's so many different chemicals and ingredients, and it leaves quite a huge cloud of odor in the air. So I thought I would share that with you guys in case you want to try something different. So far, I give it like 11 out of 10. Made a huge difference. And this book as well is a great read. So hope you guys have a great day. And as always, be rising.